Hey guys, Shane from WowBBQ here, and today I want to talk to you about the new Weber Q series. With the Q series, they've always been about delivering a small, compact, and affordable grilling system. We often get asked which of the Q series is best, but it really depends on how you plan to use it. And really there are three key models that you need to consider. Starting the range off, we have the Q1200N, also known as the BBQ. Nice and compact, perfect for couples. Comes with a detachable stand. It's lightweight, easy to carry, packs into caravans, ideal for holidays or small balconies or anywhere else you might need to take your grill. Despite its size, it delivers serious performance. You've got a stainless steel Q-shaped burner and the porcelain enamel cast iron grates, ideal for searing, really hold the heat and help you build up a crust on those steaks. It also comes with these side tables, which are ideal for putting your grilling tools or plates on, which you can also remove and store underneath for transport. Q1200N comes with a standard gas fitting for little camping gas bottles, but you can also get an attachment for the larger patio gas bottles. Just make sure and contact WowBBQ for more details. We also have the very useful temperature probe in the lid, so you know what temperature your grill is at. To light your grill, all you have to do is turn the dial to the light function and click the ignition button. And once your flame is lit, switch it to the desired temperature. For the Q1200N, we recommend direct grilling is where it performs its best. Think burgers, steaks, skewers. If you have aspirations of larger cuts like roast chickens or joints of beef, we recommend upgrading to a minimum of the 2200N. So the Q2200N builds on all the things that people love about the 1200, but gives you much bigger capacity. For reference, these are the cooking grates for the 1200 compared to the cooking grates on the 2200, which is about 60% larger than the 1200, giving you a much higher grilling capacity. As the Q2200N is a larger grill, it does come standard with a patio gas fitting versus the 1200N, which comes standard with the camping bottle fitting. Apart from size, the Q2200N is exactly the same as the 1200. It comes standard with the removable tables that you can store underneath. It also has the removable stand and clip to take your grill out for camping or load into the boot of the car. It's got the easily accessible grease management system, which you can just take your tray away and clean in the sink. And the same gas ignition system where you turn the dial to the light function and click your ignition button. So one of the benefits along with the larger size is that it does expand your capacity of what you can cook on the grill with small joints like a chicken or joint of beef. With a roasting rack and heat shield, you can set your grill up for indirect cooking on the Q2200. And the largest Q in the series is the 3200N, which is double the size of the 1200N. And it's got a lot more features on it. Part of it is this permanent stand fixture. The side tables fold down on a hinge, different to the smaller models. This is not a portable grill. It is a larger compact grill, but perfect centerpiece in your garden. It's got a storage facility underneath for your gas bottle. So one of the key features with the 3200N is the secondary burner tube. If you look underneath, we have the classic Q-shaped burner tube, which on a grill this size allows you to easily roast indirect by putting your chickens or joints of beef in the middle of the grill, or you can have full grilling capacity by turning both burners on full whack, and you can fit 10 steaks or burgers on here easily. And all the added capacity on the Q3200 really allows you to cook larger joints of meat versus the 2200, which you got to use for small joints of meat. To give you an idea of grilling capacity, with the Q1200N, you can easily fit 4 chunky steaks on the grill at the same time. And the Q2200N, you can easily fit about 6 steaks on the grill at the same time. And then for the 3200N, easily 10 steaks on the grill at the same time. Much bigger capacity. And cleaning your grill has never been easier. We have these lovely porcelain enamel cast iron grates, which not only reflect the heat out, but they're also relatively non-stick compared to a lot of other cooking grates. If you're ever wondering where that smoky flavor comes from on a gas grill, we have our gas burner is very close to the interior wall of the cook box, which gets screaming hot. So when all those juices and fats drip down, they vaporize and create a little smoky barbecue microclimate, which bastes the meat from inside the grill. And any excess fluids that drip down into the bottom of the grill find their way into this little grease tray here, and you can remove and clean when your grill is cooled. So whether you're after something compact and portable like the 1200N, or something with a bit more capacity like the 2200N, or the big family grill like the 3200N, there's a WowBBQ out there for you. I hope you found this video informative. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or visit us at the Sunshine Garden Centre, but make sure to head to our website at WowBBQ.co.uk.